That fat kingpin stole our eggs. I'm gonna cook them later until I'm done sizzling them. I hope this rope doesn't break, please. I'm scared. How can you be scared of a rope that won't break? Bro, it will literally break if I like jump. And also you. You're a fat ass. No, okay, I don't even care. Alright, it's my turn. Oh! What's that outside? Huh? Oh God, it's the birds! King, the birds are here. Oh God, if we stand still, they don't see us. This is not Jurassic Park. Alright, it's my turn. Oh God! Oh, you're squishing me. No. No, our looker. I'm still alive. Oh God, I don't feel so good. Bleh, bleh. Alright, it's our turn. Alright. Get ready and steady. Butter it, break the others. Ow. Oh God, no. Wait, what's that? Oh. Okay, that's it. Get ready. Ow, I wasn't ready. Get ready for your fools. No. Oh no. Oh God. Dead. Hang on to my rope. Hold on. I need to get this dirbs out of here. Oh God. Hold on to me. Grab the eggs. Alright, boss. Got the eggs. What do I do? Just wait till we're done after this war. Are you serious with the gun? Oh God. Oh God. Okay, that's it. Whew. Woo-hoo. Whee. Huh. Oh no, eggs! No, the eggs. Matilda, you bastard. You got our eggs flying away. I'm scared. Oh, God. Oh, no. I'm on fire. Great. Oh, God, I'm also on fire. Stop being on fire. Not you. Stop it. Oh, God, get away from the fire. Get away from the fire. I'm scared of fire. Oh, oh God, all I care is about the eggs, not you guys. Okay, that's just rude. Shut up. Okay, that's it. Oh! Alright, that's it. Yeah. He barely did anything. Oh! Hey, I got the eggs. Don't worry, guys, I got the eggs. Anyways. Ah! Ah! Ow! Ah! I barely did something. I need to do something. You didn't even let me go. Sorry, dude. Alright. Unfair, how did you guys get into the game and I didn't? Probably you're just useless. Okay, that's just rude. Hey, it's true now. Alright, that's yeah, that is true. Okay, guys, you can go back. Guys? Oh, God. Eh. Achoo! Achoo!